I wanted to know where Trent was yesterday.
I went to the lot, man.
You didn't invite me.
What up, guys? It's a Thursday. It's a random Thursday.
Random.
For those of you that don't know, I've been on a mission to buy a drift car. If you don't really know, that's where I came from for 10 years before the motorcycles. I was building drift cars and drag racing imports and really deep in that scene. And I miss it so bad, so bad. And I sold my bagger and I had a little bit of money and I want to spend a little bit of money on an inexpensive, pretty good drift car, but I also really just want a nice Corvette, but I can't really afford one. So I've been looking at a bunch of cars. I drove all the way to Vegas to look at one. I drove to Chandler yesterday to look at one, and it just nothing has been nothing I want. The thing yesterday was it, but it's been brutal. Haven't been able to find anything. So me and Trent, it's 4 o'clock. We're about to drive to Tempe in rush hour traffic to go see if this, I came across something yesterday on Facebook Marketplace and it looked like, shut up Sam, it looked like it was the one. I was making a YouTube video, so I hung up on you, and now we're back, and I want to know what you have to say.
I wanted to know where Trent was yesterday.
I went to the lot, man.
You didn't invite me.
I told you on Tuesday I was gonna ride tomorrow, which is Wednesday. You only get one invite from me, Sammy. I'm not gonna call you every day and tell you what I'm gonna do.
No, I was just wondering, like, a little text message here and there, you know.
I mean, that would be nice. Like, hey man, I'm going, you coming?
But I told him the day before, I said, yo, I'm gonna go ride tomorrow. And then he was like, nah, I was like, all right, you don't want to ride.
People change their mind.
Oh, Sammy, you already were golfing and...
Nope, not having it.
I'm riding Saturday.
Let's ride Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Come on, be a responsible adult. Boot scoot. Yeah, but let's ride Saturday morning. Come on, get up and ride with us. And I'll see you there at 7. Don't be a pussy.
All right.
7:30. You can sleep until 7:30.
8. Can I sleep? Can I wake up at 7:30 and then get there at 8?
No. 8 o'clock. It's 105 degrees.
It's not gonna be that hot on Saturday.
Bullshit. It's supposed to be like 110.
I ain't nothing nowadays.
So I just went for a test drive in the car. The thing is nasty. I'm gonna go in and buy it. So unbelievable. Bought the car. Drove like a mile, the thing overheated and is overheating. So I got stuck in a parking lot. We were there for like 2 hours. I bought it from a shop, so their mechanic came over and they f***ed with it and they couldn't figure it out. So they're taking it back to the shop tomorrow. Everything's gonna be gone through and they're gonna get it figured out because it's got a fairly freshly built motor in it, stage 2 heads and cam and all that with like 75 miles on it, they say. So they're either gonna get it fixed or give me all my money back tomorrow. See how she does. I don't know if the e-brake works. Nah. Well, I bought a new toy, so stay tuned because this adventure is gonna get real fucking serious. I'm back to my roots. I don't know what day it is. Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. My eyes won't focus and I can't even see the camera in front of me. Whew. It's Wednesday. I think it's like 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm heading to the shop. I haven't been going to the gym or doing any of that cool stuff. I've just been waking up when I wake up, sleeping like 9-10 hours a night. It's amazing. I feel amazing. The only reason that's happening is because we went to the Chopper King show in Huntington, and the night before the show we went out to dinner, and my wife ate shit getting out of the passenger seat of my truck over there and face planted and broke her collarbone. Broke her collarbone bad, like meeting with a surgeon today, having surgery. It's gonna match mine over here, actually. We have matching collarbones, same side, same break, same everything. But she can't go to the gym, so I don't have somebody waking me up at 4 a.m. in the morning driving me to the gym. So I've just been kind of sleeping till like 6 o'clock and then heading to work. And I'm still working 12 hours a day, but those 12 hours a day feel great. 12 hours a day is a cakewalk when you're not getting up at 4 a.m. and going to the gym 2 hours before you work a 12-hour day. It is amazing. You know, it's wild when there's just a bike on a trailer randomly parked out in front of the shop in the morning. No idea who that belongs to. So we just had an interview, or we interviewed someone for a job here. I think they're gonna start on Tuesday. I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm really excited about this. It just showed up with these, all kinds of super goodies in here that I'm gonna open up, and I'll lay all this stuff out and show them to you. Ooh, I'm so excited. These, never mind these are going on the Grom build that you can win by entering our Patreon, and you'll get to have these fancy adjusters from Elite Mototech. But I got a Willwood Master, FDF handle, FDF bracket. Honestly, not a big fan of the all-thread shit, but you know, if it works, it works. If it don't, I'll make something better. I also might machine my own brake handle. This one's pretty nice, but I don't know. Got some fancy Willwoods. Real pumped on these guys. Look at this shit. Come on. Get out the box, dog. I'm gonna open this. Look at that guy. Man. I am excited. Comes with these dudes. That's the bracket kit right there. Willwood pads. Brake line setup. A neat flyer with a C4 on it. And a sticker. And directions. Drift HQ, so far, you guys get 1 thumbs up, a snap, and around the world. Yo, so I'm in the vet. I'm warming it up. I'm going to the shop. Probably gonna meet Joe there. Smoking Joe's gonna come help me out today, possibly if he shows up. And I'm gonna put a short shifter and start putting the hydro handbrake in the C5 Corvette today. You know, I'm at the shop. I got here. Trent and Dennis, Despop Dennis, were hanging out. Trent's working on his truck, putting a new cam sensor in it. I think he's pretty much got everything new you could put on that truck is new on that truck now. That poor guy's had to put every single thing you could do, and it is dialed. That truck has taken us all over the country though. Lots of shows, Sturgis and back, pulling a big trailer the whole time. She's been tough, but I think he's gonna sell it. He's looking at a car today. I'm at the shop working on the vet, and he has somebody coming right now, I think, with something he's gonna maybe buy, build himself a little drift machine, and everybody's getting on board right now actually, and then sell his truck and then buy a new Tundra is what he's trying to do. I'm gonna start with wheel spacers. I'm gonna try and get at least one job done today. I've been f***ing off a lot already. Doesn't wrap around? What are you doing?
It doesn't stick to itself. I just replaced the cam sensor on my 6.0 Power Stroke. If you know anything about that, it's a bitch. It's behind the power steering pump, like under the motor. It's a sucker. But I need to like rewrap and heat shrink the wires so they don't, you know, because they lay right over the head. So I don't want them to get like hot and break and just Ford, you know.
Just wrap it around a bunch of times, put a zip tie
on. I'm putting zip ties on it right now.
Put safety wire on it, zip ties will melt.
Oh.
We can learn together, YouTube.
What can we safety wire? What should we safety wire right now? Here,
the shit that I'm trying to safety wire outside.
We'll do outside.
That'd be cool.
Sucker. I'm gonna do something here. Make your little links here. And just cut off. You want to have a good amount of excess that you can play with. And you take this dude, give her a nibble, squeeze this like a son of a bitch.
Will it click in?
Lock it in place, and then you go like this. Pull, look up here, release.
Holy shit, look at
Isn't that dope?
Man, that's high end.
You can braid the shit too, watch this. This is gonna be tougher than I think it is. I didn't make myself enough length. God damn it. Well, you can double twist them again like this, and they look like braided hair. It's dope. Now you've learned something today on Learning with Ryan.
Look at that mustache.
Look at that thing. Why don't you guys comment down below? Should I keep the mustache or shave it off? I started growing it because I was building the 100th anniversary Dyna, building a gang bike, and I felt like I needed a beyond the law mustache. But now I have a C5 Corvette, and I definitely feel like I need a mustache and like 7 Acapulco shirts. Maybe some, I'm gonna get some like short cargo shorts and a really nice pair of shoes. Just wait. In Ferrari, it would be Magnum PI-ish. So I think I might start dressing like Magnum PI, the original. We'll get back to you guys when that dude gets here. We're gonna put him on YouTube. If he'll let us. We don't know this guy. He might not let us. He might be weird. He might be wanted. What if he was wanted by the law and we were the ones that found him? I wouldn't turn him in. Fuck it. So I got the wheel spacer on the one side. I had to go next door and talk to our boy Dason. Get these pucks. I didn't know about this. I'm getting underneath the car and there's 0 places to jack a Corvette up. It's all plastic and fiberglass and everything that looked flat like you put a jack on. As soon as I touched it, it just was nothing, just dust in the wind. So he had some of those, thankfully, and he gave me some. Shout out Dason, thank you very much. He has a dope C6 that he's building right now, and we're gonna be doing some shredding down the road with him and some of the other boys. Trent just bought an E46. That's pretty sick. He's gonna pull it around. We're gonna work on the coilovers a little bit too, and then we're gonna take that thing for a little just cruise through the neighborhood. The neighbors hate us, so we're gonna be nice and calm. So just a nice cruise. We'll show you, give you a walk around, all that good shit. I think I just broke my ankle.
All right.
I tried to I was pulling the jack and I tried to swing it around in the front of me, and all it did was just drive it right into the ankle bone that sticks out of my foot.
Yeah.
And I think I'm trying to walk it off right now, but it's got that real numb but hellfire thing going on, you know, when you,
Yeah, I'm
when you snap something, it feels
That's what
great.
it felt like when I mousetrapped my bike. Dude,
Yeah.
all this shit pops out of it. I could just fucking pop
Put it
it
in the
out.
dishwasher.
Clean. Ah.
Yeah.
Plastic?
Yeah, of course. Turn the dry shit off.
It is a 2001 330 CI E46.
330 is good. It rips. I drove it. It runs strong. It feels good.
Yeah, it's got the 3.0
Yeah.
inline 6.
It's got a shitload of miles, but these motors are supposed to go for a long time. Some eBay coils that Trent's trying to dial in right now because they feel a little flimsy, but they just need a little
The kid
spring
put 'em
rate
in, like-
adjustment.
The kid put them in like 10K ago, and he put them in himself. So like the top hat bolt's just a little loose, makes a little noise. So
We get that dialed up and take you guys for a ride. She's not bad. I think she is, a beautiful drift machine.
dude, I mean, the first thing I'm gonna do to it though, handbrake, angle kit.
Yeah.
And then I'm probably, you know, a little arrow here and there, make it look sick.
Trent got a suspension dialed, so we're gonna go for a little cruise around the neighborhood. Shifter's nice and tall. It's an aftermarket shifter of I don't know what. What's it called?
Some
Chassis
chassis mount, yeah.
Are they normally not chassis mounted?
I really don't know.
I don't either.
And Kyle said it was good shit.
Let's go hit some neighborhoods.
He's our BMW guy.
Man, we got all this out. I got Dason helping me. He's over here. I conned him into this. Look at that. Nice woodwork in there. Center console's out. Clean this up in here. I got to put a bunch of Dynamat and some other things in there. Shifter's almost done, but I only got like an hour and a half. I got to pick up my wife. So somehow I got to have all this done. And I really want to mount the handbrake up while I'm in here.
Did just notice you have a super custom stereo unit.
Oh, yeah. She's,
Look at this.
That's clean one owner right there.
That handbrake setup's dope.
So everything's in here I can at least do some make-believe with. Shifter is sick, dude. Nice and high.
Oh, that's in such a good
Oh
spot.
my god. Oh my god.
That's in such a good spot.
Oh dude, it's just gonna be yay. Dual Willwoods back there, Willwood caliper. Dude, Drift HQ homies hooked it up right there. I called them, super helpful. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even know what I needed. Homeboy's like, you need this and this. I said, that sounds good to me.
Man, put this thing together. Let's go drive.
Oh man, we can go cruise around together.
Yeah,
Put
we can go
insurance on that thing yet?
No, not yet, but I will eventually.
It's probably still insured under his name.
Yep.
I'm gonna get a ratchet on that, feel it with my hands. Oh my God, dude. This is, it's amazing. I'm really excited. Shifter up final. We'll go do some fucking cruising, man.
Some car club cruising. Man, we should go somewhere we could sit outside, park our cars all reversed, you know? That's in a good spot. I got Ben Kyle sending me all these parts that he's running on his Beamers.
Couple final lockdowns here. Oh, I've only had it off like 400 goddamn times. I'm fucking running out of time too. I'm trying to make this shit look nice, you know, like I don't want to just hack a hole in it. So I'm doing a little bit at a time, test fit, a little bit, test fit. Pain in the ass, take forever. Off and on 50 damn times. I'm gonna leave here in like 30 minutes or less. Probably less.